Downloading your account data from Gmail is a straightforward process that allows you to keep a backup of your important emails and information. Follow these steps to successfully download your data. Step 1. Sign into your Google account. Visit the Google account page and sign in using your Gmail credentials. Ensure you are using the account from which you want to download the data. Step 2. Access Google account settings. Once signed in, navigate to the Data and Personalization section found in the left sidebar. This area contains various options related to your account data. Step 3. Start the data export process. Scroll down to the Download, Delete, or Make a Plan for your data section. Click on Download your data to initiate the export process. Step 4. Select Data to download. You will be directed to Google Takeout, where you can choose the specific data you want to download. Make sure to select Mail and any other services you wish to include in the download. Step 5. Choose Export Format and Download. After selecting your data, click on Next Step. You can choose the file type and delivery method for your download. Once you've made your selections, click Create Export to begin the download process. You will receive a notification when your data is ready. By following these steps, you can easily download your Gmail account data and keep it safe for future reference.